Before updating your Android, there are some of different settings you must follow so that to avoid some of problems, such as missing some data, storage issues, or app problem. Many people always claim that they used to face some of different problems when using their devices after updating them. This is because they didn't follow these important settings before updating their devices. Now, here I will show you these important settings which you need to know before updating your Android. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video. Now, let's get started. The first setting is to turn on Google Backup. Turning on Google Backup will help you to protect your important information, such as contacts, device settings, call history, and some of apps data. Now follow these important steps to turn on Google Backup. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down to search for Google. Then choose All Services. Scroll down to search for Backup, and after there, tap it to open. Then Backup Now. This setting will help you to protect your important information.
Second setting is to back up your WhatsApp chats. Always your WhatsApp messages are very important, and that's why it's very important to consider this setting before updating your Android operating system. Now, follow these steps to set for this. Open WhatsApp on your Android, tap 3 dots on the top right corner, then choose Settings. Again, look for Chats in Settings list. Last, choose Chat Backup and Backup Now as possible. Now, after there, your chats will be protected, and you'll be able to see them even after updating your Android operating system. Third setting is to check your free storage. Updating Android always needs a free enough storage space that can be acquired by the new updated features. If the storage is full, the update may fail or create problems. Now, you can check your storage by following these steps before updating your Android. Open Settings for your Android. Choose Additional Settings. Then look for Storage. If the storage isn't enough, delete unnecessary videos, remove unused apps, and clear downloads.
Fourth is to charge your battery before updating. The good recommendation is to charge the battery at least 50%. Say, never start a major Android update with a low battery because your phone may shut down during installation. Manufacturers such as Samsung recommend having sufficient battery and using Wi-Fi before installing updates. Fifth is to connect your Android to a stable Wi-Fi. We use Wi-Fi during updating Android operating system. This can help us to save mobile data. Say, Android updates can be large files, so always use a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions and save mobile data. So it's very important to make sure that your Android is connected to the strong Wi-Fi before updating the system. Sixth setting is to update your apps first. New Android update operating system sometimes cannot support old apps and can cause crashes and other compatibility problems. Now, to update apps, you will follow these steps. Go to Play Store. Tap your profile picture on the top right corner. Choose Manage Apps and Device, and tap Update All.
Seventh is to remember your passwords. This is very important to be taken into positive consideration. This is because after the update is done, you will be asked to verify your account again, and here you will need to use password for verification. Before updating, make sure you know Google account password, Samsung, Xiaomi, OPPO account password, banking app login details. Now, if this video helped you, subscribe to Skillnova Digital channel for simple tech tips and smartphone tutorials. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and may I say, see you in the next video.